Hi everyone. Today our lesson will be about how to add commands in the toolbar and about the snap object. We will learn about these snap objects and about the toolbars and how to add items here. Here we have all the commands that we need for drawings. Sometimes you need to add commands here or here. You need it to use it in the drawings. If you can remove like that and you can put it again. If you don't want it, just move it like that, and this the X you can close it. See, sometimes some drawers or draftmen want to be the display area to be bigger, so they don't use any of these in the main display area, but mostly you have to use it. If you want, I want to back this one. How? By the right click of the mouse, you have to press here, right click, okay? Here you have AutoCAD. These all windows that you can add it to the display area. These layers, which is this, modify, this is the one. I have to add this draw. Just click and it will appear here. You can move it from here like that to put here or to put here. I will put it here beside this one. And sometimes when you draw plans, elevations for the architect, they use mostly also this one, which is dimension. It's very important to add dimensions quickly for the plans or drawings. Just click by the left button for the mouse. This is the dimensions that I really needed when I draw plans. Just click here, press here, still press, and move it like that. Put it here. See? This is very important for you to use it in the drawing. Okay. Sometimes I need here, there is a command mean distance. It's very important in the drawing. It's not appear here. How I need to add here between any two of these, I will need to add one command. How you add a command? Just press here by the right click of the mouse, go to customize. Customize means that you want to add something new, command new to this bar. This command mean divide. I added to the command. I need to add another one. Customize. Press customize. This window will be clear for you. You will see here all the commands that you needed in the AutoCAD for drawings. You will not use all. You don't need to use it all of it because it's a very high numbers. I need just one name distance. Just write here distance. Okay. This one, measure distance. I need this to put it here between any two. It's okay. Put here, any bit. You can add it between any two of these commands. Just go here, press in the left button of the mouse. Just keep pressing and move like that. See, between any two. You can add it between any two you want. Here, it's be here. You have now it's here. You have to click here, apply to this instance to stay here in the command bar. Apply. Now the change, it's okay. Then press OK. See, it's clear here. How you can use this? Sometimes when I draw like that rectangle, for example, I need to know the distance. I don't want to use measurement. I need a dimension. I want just distance. Right from here, press here to here. It's written, see, distance 160. Distance here. I don't want to use this. That's just I will use distance. It's just written like that. It's not in the display area. Make escape, it will gone. But if you use the dimension like that, it will stay here. Later we will explain how to change the dimension, color, and this it's very small, you see. Later in another lesson, inshallah, I will make a video about the dimension setting and how to change this arrow, make it with the color to be clear in the drawings. Okay, now after we add this one name divide. There is another command. It's very important that you use it in the AutoCAD, which name, go to customize again, here write explode. What is the explode? Explode name mean that if you have a polyline, that mean a line which is connect to other. I don't want to be connected. I want it to be line by line. Just use explode. This is the explode. Press again, keep pressing, and put it here. Then apply, then okay. This, if you want any comment you want to add and you feel that you use it in the drawings, just add it. Or if you don't want to add it, you can find here in AutoCAD a lot of orders and commands, but you can't put all the commands in the display area because you need the biggest area for drawings. You don't need to make it smaller. I need to have a big display area when I have drawings like plans, elevations with a high area, big area. I need to keep a little commands in the display area. Okay, here we have, now we will talk about these commands here down. These commands, if you see this grid display, all these you can use it by press on or by in the keyboard you have F1, F2, F3 like that. This one, if you press, it's on now. If you press on, you will see the grid in the display area gone, off. Or you can press on it, or you can press F7. It's written here. See, if you see, it's written. If you want to keep it or not, it will not affect in the drawing that you draw. There is another one which is ortho mode. This means if you need it, if you draw a line, you have, now I want to draw a line. Click one click. If you see the line not straight, I want the line to be straight. What I have to do, you have two choices. Press F8 in the keyboard or press here and make it on, ortho on. See, the line becomes straight. It will not be not straight. These need you when you draw plans. It's very important for you to make the line to be straight. Okay, press again. Now see, all perpendicular, then like that, like that. Escape or enter. You can make escape or enter to end the commands that you have. Press it again, ortho off. That you can draw the line again will not be straight. Escape. Okay, the other one, this one, polar, F10, that's for the circles. You will not use it too much. The most important command here is the object snap. This is very, very important for drawings, object snap. Just click in the right button for the mouse, press setting. This is the window that I needed. If you see here the object snaps that I have, this one, end point. Well, what do you mean by end point? It will be clear in the display area like a small square. It will be here in the end point. Midpoint will be in the, it will be clear like a triangle in the middle of the line. Center, it will be clear as a small circle in the center of the circle. Node, This use it when you have a line. If you draw a line and this line you want to cut it for example, five same distance, it will have dots like you use this node. We will learn about it later. Most important one, endpoint, midpoint, center, this all keep okay with tick. Intersection, this one if you have like that, if you have to close this, I will show you about this later now. Intersection, this not too much insertion, not important. Perpendicular is important, this not too much. Nearest, you use it. Parallel, no. These three very important to keep the tick on, and nearest and perpendicular. Okay, these very important commands. See, I have a line. See, this means that when this square appear for you in the display area, that means the line with this shape will correctly connect together with no spaces like that. I want it to be to the middle. See, this nearest. When the triangle clear for you, that means it will be in the middle of this line. This triangle in the middle of this line. But if I wanted to this just nearest, it's not very important, but this means that I reach to the middle of this line. Okay. If I have circle, this circle, I want to draw a line from the center of the circle. If you don't put this, if there is no tick beside this, if I want to draw a line, I can't find this the center. This will be very easy for me to draw a very accurate lines in the middle of the circle. Okay, we have this divide. This divide, see, what I mean about this divide. I want to divide this line for example 5 equal distance. See, read here down, select the object to divide. I will select the object. How many number of segments you want to cut it? I want 5 equal distance, then enter. See, the line, I didn't see that it's become cut it. Go to the snap setting. You have to put click beside this, then okay. Make RE. See, now it's clear. This is the one. This is the another one. This line now it's be divided to 5 exactly equal distances. Okay, today finish our lesson for this most important object snaps, and how to add this command to the toolbar. Inshallah, next lesson we'll have a new commands and a new something to learn. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and if you have any comments, please be free to write it down. Thank you.